So you want to learn how to get XRay Ultimate Resource Pack for Minecraft 121? Well, this is your tutorial. So you have to go to the website I will leave you on the description and download this file 121 download XRay Ultimate Resource Pack and click it. Now you will be sent to a download. Then you have to go to app data, press accept, and then go to point Minecraft. Next you have to find this folder resource packs, double click, and then you have to drag the file right here, and then you have to go to Minecraft like this. So once you play Minecraft, you will have to select the resource pack. Once you get to Minecraft, press options, resource packs, and drag this XRay Ultimate with this key, press it, and done. Now you have to wait till it applies and then create a new world. Okay, creating a new world, create world, preparing for world creation. Okay, so we have to wait till the world is created and then we have the X-ray texture pack. As you can see, I'm using X-ray. So this is everything. I hope this tutorial helped you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.